Madam Miriam Justice wrote, Akwa Okuko, regardless of the challenges you are facing, your she will remain steadfast. If found guilty, the law will take its course. Nevertheless, I must emphasize that you remain an exceptional individual in our Igbo. Some of us will continue to cherish you. Notwithstanding, if there is any assistance I can offer, please do not hesitate to reach out to me through JPAC, my beloved brother. Obifuria, ana see who we go, ana see who we go, ana see who we go. Umokolobia niile onye atiri na high jump. Umokolobia niile onye agbachikolo were ha wee erishi onwe na alụ hotel na agba moto maka na achọghị ikwu okwu. There is actually something you can do to help him, Madam Miriam Justice. There is actually something you can do to help Akwa. Then, in fact, there is one thing you can do to help Akwa. You know, happen who we call on asa and call a spade a spade. Unana bagale, eh? Unana bagale. Akwa committed a lot na Igbo. Akwa committed a lot na Igbo. Kangwazi una programma. Akwa committed a lot na Igbo. Wogo oge nji we si o jebe ife ọ na-ejejecha ọ natakwala onwe ọ natakwala iwekwa ego oye wole ga butepem onwe ife consign mo na what I go. But there is actually something you can do to help him. Nevertheless, remain steadfast. Your she will do this one, your she will do this one. Among mmadụ one n'ime unu ndị nwere oke ite na ba akwa. Very soon, so madam, there is something you can actually do to help them, to help him. Ịghọtara? Ịchọrọ iji oge ego eche keke njaka wee China. Ịghọtago ka iwere ewe wuru omere ọha onwe ebe a na-ekwu okwu ndị Igbo ije ma wuyi aka na ekwuo nke na-edu ịgbafelu maka na na-edu ahụ onye Igbo. Na-edu abụrụ onye Igbo ka ọwụ. What you can actually do to help Akwa is to make Akwa to disappear from detention. That is the only help he needs now. The only help you need now is send their Gandusa from Abuja, or send their Ndaboski Bahose from Abuja, or you want send it from Abuja. Let Ika who help Akwa to disappear from detention, or disappear her from detention. He will be a free man. Nobody will even come after him again. Now that we 4G, 4Job. To you people, Governor Igbo, Governor Siniaja, yet a lot of phone officers from an Igbo, because only not will be 4Job. All this, if you know, a cry, sympathy, who go well, now Governor Ama for them, money for them, is that not so? I will know the innocent. Akwa may not be punishable by any law, or they will get happy and any nature, or won't have for her maybe something linking to Igbo mad or ever. That does not mean before they made but that does not mean before they made you should call a spade a spade. You got to go. Sometimes most of you people they claim on the discipline, but a little something that has to do with emotion may fail woefully. Una chobi funu yeju buy attention the matter buy your love. You know that? Buy your love. You can actually do something to help Akwa, and what you can do to help Akwa is to make him to disappear in detention. If you make him to disappear now in detention, you will be the champion lady. You know that? If there is anything I can do to help you, Adadi Olamman Utolo, Emzo Pharmaceutical, Emzo Pharmaceutical, Stella Odua, Stella Odua, Keruha, OBS Ekwesere. Name them now, First Lady. I'm not First Lady of Anambra State, called First Lady in Nigeria. If there is actually anything I can do to help you, don't hesitate to tell JPAC to tell me. Unu ye chelu akwajecha obata ya funa obata ya funa obata osa kwa wonye arrest say no na eje ke hit ịnụrụ na-eji eke hit ịnụrụ na-eji onye ise Jizọs ọsa akwa awụ onye eji unu na-efe ego na worship ego akwa bụ ego lucheta họteelụ bụkwasịrị ego ebe niile dị afọ onye ọra nwere ego awụ n'ezigbo mmadụ. Is that not so? I have already, in fact, I don't need to send this message through JPAC. I send the go message here direct, and I know that your people will tell you, yes, because the Madam Mia Joseph Jenna page Nezugo said that there is actually something she can do to help Akwa Asumelona or Mepulonala Akajiak, one of Igbo land, make him to disappear. The moment he disappears into his bedroom or Abuja or even outside police headquarters, he will be a free man. Simple. Nobody will even bother to come and arrest him again because he has proven himself. When I trade in an emotion of gullible people of Ndibo, now build the profile on and anything on them. Nya ona akpasikwa na ebe UCF ị chọrọ isi n'ebe oge echi na web build profile ị chọrọ isi ebe oge echi na web build profile amụ ka nna amụ na he go shock all of you he go shock all of you otutu okwu adọrọ n'ụka mgbede make Akwa to disappear gaspia ndị chọrọ igu iyi ya na ụgọwa iyi ịgọwa iyi gochi iyi no wave ihe mem go. The same people now agbagharị achọ what can we do to help Akwa ọkwa ha ncha niile nọ na onye eze Jizọs na onye eze Jizọs jenedi even JPAC ihe na-asị onwe ife ahụ emesi je gwa nya nọ na-ewosta video onye eze na-ewosta video eke hit shefuo na-ejikwu ha with man ya so man ya deserve freedom but ndị ọzọ abụrụ man onye ọzọ ọ na-aṅụ ha na-aṅụ eke hit na-aṅụ onye eze Jizọs kwuo na ya dịrị izi video onye eze Jizọs series by series ka na-ekwu ka ejebute akụ na arata ugo. So ọ bụrụ na o nwere ike ide ekwu ka ejebute all these people, what are these people doing that Akwa is not doing? Since if you are innocent, what are these people doing that Akwa is not doing? And he is even the number one man. He is even the number one man. Ono na asi iko. Ono na onye biara isi iko. Triple P hotel a ume ko hon. Ka golden egg ko go so onwe fe gbasara jiga do ụmụ na anya. Moto ni na ahụ nke nna anya. Mana ụmụ nwa ihawa anya mana ụnụ na worship ego. Na choose opportunity all only seek attention. Name eye service here and there. I have just told you what you can do. Go and make him to disappear. If you make him to disappear, you make Goli Fenini and he will forever remain grateful to you. Or you can fly down from Abuja and go to government house. You have connection. According to them, you have connection. You will have phone money disappear. You will have phone even London Metropolitan Police will arrest the man. So why can't you call Inspector General of Police or call Governor Noka? Man, what you can do to help him? Why are you saying they should tell JPAC when you're not at detention? Call the Commissioner of Police, or a IG of Police, or a Interpol, or a governor himself, or a president himself. You gotta go. To help you. You don't even need to ask us. Just simply put a call through your contact. You will know exactly what is needed to help him. Akwaputa, credit to you. That is all. Your profile and you gotta go. You people should share this video. You share here. If you're my owner, Ozie Sila Woloku, or you do carry here to